Germany is a global leader in renewable energy. They are aggressively pursuing a future powered by clean sources. One of their most promising innovations is solar roof tiles. These tiles seamlessly integrate solar technology into residential buildings. This innovation represents a significant step towards energy independence and a reduced carbon footprint. Paxo Solar, a German company, has partnered with TH Köln University. Their goal? To create solar roof tiles that are both efficient and aesthetically pleasing. These tiles are designed to blend seamlessly with traditional roofing materials. They offer a discreet and attractive way to harness solar energy. These solar roof tiles are more than just energy generators. They are designed to power heat pumps. Heat pumps offer an energy-efficient way to heat and cool homes. By integrating these technologies, Paxo Solar aims to create a comprehensive sustainable energy solution for homeowners. Each solar roof tile boasts an impressive power output of 44 watts. This means that just 5 tiles can generate enough electricity to power many household appliances. The tiles utilize high-efficiency back-contact solar cells from Longi. Longi is a leading provider of solar technology. These cells maximize energy conversion even in low-light conditions. These tiles are not just powerful, they are also durable. They are made with glass construction. This makes them resistant to hail, wind, and other environmental factors. Their lightweight design ensures compatibility with a wide range of roof structures. Section 4. Heat pumps, a sustainable synergy. Heat pumps are a vital component of this innovative system, playing a crucial role in modern energy solutions. They provide an energy-efficient way to heat and cool homes, ensuring comfort throughout the year. By using thermal energy from the air or ground, heat pumps can significantly reduce energy consumption, making them an eco-friendly choice. When paired with solar roof tiles, heat pumps create a closed-loop system that maximizes efficiency. This system greatly reduces reliance on traditional energy sources, paving the way for a sustainable future. This synergy between solar power and heat pumps offers numerous benefits, including environmental and financial advantages. It reduces energy consumption, leading to lower utility bills and significant cost savings over time. The system's efficient design enhances heat pump performance, ensuring optimal operation. This further amplifies energy savings, making it a smart investment for homeowners. Section 5. Economic and environmental advantages. The financial and environmental benefits of these solar roof tiles are substantial, offering a dual advantage that is hard to ignore. By generating their own electricity, homeowners can significantly reduce or even eliminate their electricity bills, leading to immediate financial relief. This translates into substantial cost savings over the lifetime of the system, making it a wise long-term investment. The use of renewable energy sources significantly reduces carbon emissions, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable planet. This contributes to a healthier environment for everyone, ensuring cleaner air and a better quality of life. These benefits make solar roof tiles an attractive investment for homeowners, not just for their own savings, but also for the planet. The initial cost of installation is offset by long-term savings and increased property value, making it a financially sound decision. Furthermore, government incentives and tax credits can further reduce the financial burden, making solar energy more accessible to everyone. As more communities and businesses adopt solar technology, the collective impact on both the economy and the environment will be profound. Section 6. Expanding the reach, future plans and funding. Paxo Solar is committed to making these solar roof tiles accessible to a wider audience, ensuring that more people can benefit from clean, renewable energy. They are actively seeking funding to increase production capacity and reduce costs, which will allow them to produce more tiles at a lower price point. Their goal is to make this technology a standard feature in new home construction and renovations, transforming the way we think about energy in our homes. Their crowd investing campaign offers individuals the opportunity to support this vision, allowing everyday people to invest in a sustainable future. The company is also exploring partnerships with housing developers and roofing companies to integrate solar tiles seamlessly into building projects. Their aim is to streamline the installation process and make solar roof tiles a readily available option for homeowners, making it easier than ever to go green. The future of sustainable living is bright, and Paxo Solar is leading the charge with its innovative solar roof tiles. paving the way for a cleaner, greener world.